How to hide your profile from specific friends on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your profile from specific friends on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click view your profile. Now just select any post you want and click these 3 points here and then click change audience and select friends expert and then just choose them and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.